I'm going to be using my first new product that I would like to show you all. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Usame Kaku, for those who do not know, and I make videos on natural hair, beauty, and lifestyle. So if that is the kind of thing you're into, go ahead and subscribe so that you can rock with me in this channel, because that is what we do. So yeah, this is the channel to subscribe to. So look, I know it's been a minute, okay? I know it's been a minute since I've done anything makeup related, but I finally got new products. So I will show you the new products I've gotten throughout, my look for this video. So basically the purpose of this video is really just to kind of have fun with my face and test out new products. Okay, so we all know that every good base starts with a primer. Okay, well, not really. It starts with a good skincare routine and moisturizing, whatever. I did all that, but for the purpose of this video, a good base starts with a primer. And I'm going to be using my first new product that I would like to show you all is this baby right here. Makeup gives me texture that I don't see when I have my face bare like this. I don't know what it is. I feel like it's probably something I'm not doing in my skincare routine. Y'all know I'm kind of like a noob at skincare. Particular primer I've been using, it makes that whole amplification, don't know the word, the amplification of texture worse on my face for some reason. I don't like that, so I've been kind of looking for new primers, and I just said, okay, let me just try this one since they gave it to me. It went on well. I really liked it. It had a nice cooling effect, but most of all, I didn't see that amplification of texture that I get on my face with makeup. So this is my set primer, and it is the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, and it didn't dry my skin out. Not that I thought primers were drying my skin out, but yeah, I just liked it. And I'm gonna put it down here too, because gotta extend that makeup down to your neck. I wanted to try a Fenty beauty product, another Fenty beauty product, and I got the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Hydrating Longwear Foundation. Okay, and I got it in the shade 440 basically, and so far I think this is my shade. Not gonna lie, it's a little red, but it actually balances and evens out, and I feel like my undertone is actually pretty red, even though I feel like this one's kind of a little abnormally red, but it actually does, it matches me very well so far from what I've seen. So I've been keeping this, I've been using it. So taking my beauty blender, which admittedly does need to be cleaned. So y'all see that? So like I was saying, this is a pretty red shade, and I think some of the Fenty Beauty darker colors tend to go red like this, but I know they have some kind of olive green shades in between. But this one I feel like has matched me pretty well despite all the redness. And I'm gonna add another layer because I don't think this was enough. Always gotta bring that makeup down to your neck, because if you not, who is you? What is you doing? Okay. Ooh, but my skin look good. My skin look kind of nice. Ooh. Okay. I really do think this texture thing is something that I'm missing from my skincare routine, but I am not sure what it is. So if you have any suggestions, just like what it is I could be missing, feel free to let me know down in the comments. So now, if you've been, rocking with me in the early days, y'all might have remembered that I said I was gonna stop messing around with powders because I don't like them, and they just make my face look dry and crusty. And I still am a believer of that. Like I still try to use powders as minimally as I can, but sometimes I can't run away from them. So I decided to get a more translucent powder, and this is the Fenty Beauty powder, what to call it, Fenty Beauty Instant Retouch Setting Powder in the shade Nutmeg. I don't know if I applied that right. Like I said, if y'all have any makeup tips, let your sister know, cause ooh, I ain't no top-notch beauty guru out in these streets. I wanna be, but I ain't yet. Ugh. So the thing with concealers, guys, is that I actually did buy another concealer to try, and it was the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r concealer, but I don't have that with me right now because I bought it, I tried it, I liked the application, I liked how it felt and everything, but there was an issue where I would wear it and throughout the day there would be this horrible creasing under my eyes, and I would set it, but it just, I didn't like the black lines it would give me. But I think what the problem is that I don't really use under eye cream, and I've heard that under eye, like moisturizing your under eyes with some kind of cream, helps a lot with creasing. So if y'all use the concealer and y'all have experience or some tips to help me with using it, just let me know, you know, tell me if I did anything wrong, or if you also experienced the same thing, let me know. That way maybe I probably won't feel as bad about returning it. And now I'm gonna use my Sacha Buttercup, only a little bit now. I don't bake anymore. I only just do regular setting. I stopped the baking mess. I just don't like the, I feel like baking is just too drying for me and just not really necessary, at least for my skin. So all I'm gonna do is just set with powder. Under here. And I bake with this banana powder because sometimes I do want that yellow highlighting effect under my eye. Ooh, I have a feeling my makeup's gonna be bomb. .com. Oh, do I have makeup on my hands? I have leftover powder on my hands, my bad. So I'm gonna just do this kind of once over. Just, you know, to give my foundation a little initial set. Okay, we've combed my brows. Now it's time to draw over them. Today, I am, to be honest with you, I'm feeling green today. So let's see about playing with some green shadow, shall we? I need another eyeshadow palette to explore more colors, but maybe I should use Madagascar. I'm gonna use that on the outer corner of my eye, right here. I'm actually just gonna brush that all over. Okay, so let's see. Now next I'm going to, I think right here I'm gonna put Egypt. So that's this color right here. I'm gonna put Egypt. Okay, look at the green. This color says Cash Money. This is the color that I'd probably be wearing if I was a trophy wife. Not even gonna lie. Ooh, a trophy wife vibes. I feel like I wanna use a dark color, another dark color to go around here because I need a darkness to match this green I put on, and I feel like what I put wasn't enough. You know what? Let me, because this is the way I want to keep this now. After screwing up this eye, we are going to take a concealer, and we're just gonna erase the part. We're just gonna erase it and do that over again. Okay, look at us working. Okay, and so next new thing, I actually got this in my birthday gift set thing. So it's the Milk Kush mascara, and I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't feel like this does really much. Okay, now time to contour. Hey, time to contour. It's time to contour. It's time to contour. 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 Okay, and here, that's where we are contouring today. Swipe through that. And I'm using my Fenty Beauty matchstick in the shade, what's that really dark shade? It's right here. The shade Espresso. I always like using this to contour because these matchsticks, they really do blend very well. It's just easy to blend them out. Okay. Hey, I'm looking good. I'm looking decent. Last but not least, let's do some blush. I also got this in my birthday gift thing. This is the Milk Lip+Cheek blush in Werk. Honestly, I also feel like this blush kind of sucks. This is not that pigmented, at least for my skin tone, but I'm gonna just put it on to show y'all anyway. I always have to go like extra hard to even get anything to show with this blush. Ooh, that was not cute. Not cute. Okay, so this is the blush. We'll keep it to this minimum today. Okay, so we are almost done. I am about to go ahead and do some highlighting. I'm going to use a highlight I haven't used in a while, and this is the Super Shock Cheek K-Pop. No, this is the Super Shock Cheek from ColourPop, and the shade is Avalon. Pretty sure this is discontinued, which is sad because it's really beautiful, but we're gonna use it today. Ooh. We're just doing a little bit. We're not going overboard. You know what I say? How many of you are like this? You say, okay, I'm not going overboard today, and then you do exactly that, go overboard. Yeah, that's me. Now let's go ahead and do our magic spraying. This is my old Walmart Fast and Fabulous setting spray. Ooh, I think I'm gonna call this look money maker because this green shadow is a vibe. It's a vibe. Okay. I'm loving my glow. Now let's do Urban Decay. Probably spray it way too close to my face. I shouldn't be doing that. Oh, I probably need to put some on my chin though. My chin doesn't get enough love. Oh, wow. You guys, I sprayed my eyes. That stung a little bit. That definitely stung a little bit. Okay, So this is my finished look. Yeah, this shade, this look is definitely gonna be called Money Maker. I look good. Okay, so it's currently 10 o'clock at night. It's been many hours since I finished this makeup. Still, it looks like it's still holding well, actually. And yeah, I don't feel like I look, well, I don't have oily skin, but I don't feel like I look oily at all. Actually, I feel like my makeup is still very much there, especially the cheeks and the eyeshadow. Yeah. So if you liked this video, go ahead and give this video a like, a big thumbs up, especially if you liked the look. Yes, and comment down below any makeup tips or tricks that you think would help me, or any good skincare advice that would improve my makeup from what you've seen. I'm very open, honestly. In 2021, I'm very much open to skincare. I told myself I was going to do better with skincare, starting with, you know, my under eyes. So yes, comment down below any things like that. I'm just admiring this, and my wash and go is popping. Okay, still popping. I'm a fan. But this video is about makeup, so yes, give this video a like and comment down below. And you know, if you haven't subscribed, you just missing out. Don't miss out. So yes, I will see you all next time. Bye.